Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this tutorial, we will see about Amazon Inspector. Amazon Inspector is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of applications deployed on AWS. Amazon Inspector automatically assesses applications for exposure, vulnerability, and, and deviations from best practices. After performing an assessment, Amazon Inspector produces a detailed list of security findings prioritized by level of severity. Amazon Inspector Security Assessments helps you check for unintended network accessibility of your Amazon EC2 instances and for vulnerabilities on those EC2 instances. Amazon Inspector assessments are offered to you as pre-defined rules packages mapped to common security best practices and vulnerability definitions. In this tutorial, we'll see about the Amazon Inspector on AWS. First of all, you need to switch your Amazon AWS console and log in your account. This is my account. This is AWS Management Console. In here, click Services and search Amazon Inspector. Click it. This is the dashboard of Amazon Inspector. Here click Get Started. Here click Advanced Setup. Here you can define your assessment target and define your Amazon Inspector. Before that, we need to create an instance for the Amazon Inspector. For that, go to EC2 instances. Click Services and search EC2. Here I can recently used EC2, so I am going there. In here, click Launch Instances. Launch Instance. I have posted a video for how to create an instance in Amazon AWS. If you have any doubt for instance creation, please refer that video. Here I am select the Amazon Linux 2 AMI. T2 micro is enough. Here I am leave it the default subnet network, and I am enable the auto assign public IP. Here I am leave it the default settings for the storage. Here I am add the tag. Click configure security group. In here I will create a new security group. I change the name. Today I'll enable the TCP port to public access. Add rules. Here I'm giving HTTP also. I will add a 21 TCP port to open access. To anywhere. Click review and launch. Launch instance. I'm using existing key pair. The instance is launched. Now click view instance. Here you can see the instance is running. Now back to the Amazon Inspector console. Here enter the assessment name. You can enter the name your wish. Click next. Here you can define the assessment template also. Enter the name of the template. Here I am only enable the rules packages for network reachability, and I will disable the all other things. Then I am change the duration to 15 minutes. This is the minimum time of the duration and I am uncheck the assessment schedule. Click next. You can review your Amazon Inspector before creating, then click create. The inspector is created. Go to assessment target. Click the instance. In here that you can see the target is running. Click assessment template. In here you can see the duration of the assessment template is 15 minutes. And if you click assessment runs, it will show entire detail about the assessment run instance template. You can see the ARN number, target, template, in anything else and all. And click findings. There you can see the Amazon Inspector finding the status about the instances. There will be the 4 levels. One is information, low level, medium level and high level. In information level shows the instance a network exposure instance is port is enabled to the internet. Then click the low level. It also shows the port 80 which is associated with the HTTP reachable from the internet. That means the port 80 is reachable to the internet because we enable the port 80 for the instance in security group. You can see the medium level. In here we are enable the port 22 also for the SSH. It also shows we are enable that SSH port also all over the world. It shows TCP 22 which is associated with SSH is reachable from the internet. Then click the high. Here you can see we are enable the TCP port to anywhere to access the world. That is it refers on instance. This is the instance ID TCP port. We are enable the TCP port to the instance reachable to the internet. In this method you can follow the instance to which port are running and which port are the access by the internet enter the world. If you need to delete the inspector, click assessment target, select your inspector and click delete and click yes. The inspector will be deleted. You can see there is no inspector and you can see the template also. You cannot find anything else. Everything will be deleted. This is the method to follow. Create Amazon Inspector on AWS. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.